cuz. Then we gotta fucking skedaddle on out of here. Putting the resonator on the fucking D21. It's just too loud to be in the street. Pulling it from the bottom. Been the 4th fucking wildfire. I know I should have released my mixtape. Some dirty ass vents, nigga.
What's clapping?
Gotta be dripped out. Oh, fucked up ass J.
I'm the top G.
Ew.
Alright, get on, move already.
How the fuck do they angle this shit?
This is how it is.
Ooh, chasers.
You made my
stunt cars and street apparel.
When you got off my driver's seat, look at you stank so bad.
Oh. I just fucking washed the truck, bro, and it started fucking raining, bro. This shit. Hope I got a fucking miss on this shit, watch out. Sick ass cam. Dream car. You're gonna be right there one day. One day, or day one. Little ass desk this motherfucker have. No leg room. Messy ass. Ooh. This shit's too fucking small compared to mine. Oh. Oh. What the fuck? Man, y'all heard that too, bro. Fuck that. Y'all heard that shit, bro. What the fuck? Compared to my setup, oh yeah. More space.
1980s and
Might have some cheapy fucking keyboards and shit. Got better fucking components. Oh yeah. Change the pulley on this fucking, I was about to say Ford. Motherfucker pops up. Hey! fuck is wrong with you? He waves at us. I'm not even gonna open the hood. Where's the pulley even located at?
Let's see about this little bit.
Here, bring 2 rims that are over there. Fucking mosquito got me too. Look at that shit. Woo. Gonna get the 2 rims. Shit, but I'm not spiders in this bitch. Oh. I'm gonna throw them, alright?
Just leave one right there. Pass me a brick.
Oh. It's just even more heavier. Which pulley? Where's the pulley inside?
Yeah. See it over there?
Is it this one?
Yeah.
Damn. Here. Here, monkey. Oh.
Wow.
So the supercharged V8 twin turbo.
Where is it?
Right there. Almost got it. Yeah. Fucking bro's locked in right now. Watch. Look. Okay. Look. White whisker right here. Look at that shit. Who are them? Already got the squeaker. Gotta be the alternator.
Know what I'm about to do?
So we about to do right now.
The trunk is open. Hurry up and get that shit.
I ain't got mad shit.
Ain't no fucking stop here. What the fuck?
It's a fucking bump.
Ain't no bump. I guess.
What we're doing is called Jizz Drive. We better go pick up some pallets. Just doing all these deliveries from Jizz right now. It's all the fucking boxes we got. Yeah, we're like in the suburbs. We're finna deliver here. Folks live here. You feel me? Shit, got that big money though, fuck. We're here in the gated community, bro. I don't know how people could live like this, bro. This shit feel mad empty. Why not live somewhere where it's active? You feel me? Somewhere in the Dino. Oh, look at this shit. It's dry, bro.
Stupid.
Yeah, there's a park right there. There's no one in this shit. Fuck. Man, we out this community.
Why not just go to reverse on this?
Fuck that shit. Dried ass community. Just delivered a box with mad empty in this shit, too. Look at this shit. No one here. Fuck these boxes, bro. Shit's a bitch, bro. We've been in this bitch ass fucking community for a long ass time, bro. There's a 3rd box too. Look at him go. Fuck is he going? Being alone in an empty community, bro. While we in the Dino be active. It's crazy. Finally the last box, so we can get the fuck on out of here, bro. I'm mad annoying, bro. Fucking headers too. Honey mustard?
Dignig. Isang negadig. Alam mo, haba otak pa.
You want to get drinks too or not?
Yeah. Give me the aswad with that.
Can I get 2 drinks as well?
Drinks?
Yeah, 2 medium Sprites. That'll be all.
Where's the dough?
Thank you. Bye, have a great day.